ChatGPT just did something really cool, and they made it possible for you to work with just about any of your apps inside of ChatGPT. And really the benefit of this is obviously the fact that you don't have to jump in and out, but also because more so probably than other LLMs, if only because we've been using it longer and it's had memory turned on longer. But our ChatGPT tends to know more about us and our business, which to me gives it kind of an added advantage. So what we're going to do is click new chat and click the plus sign, then click more, and then click explore apps down here at the bottom. And you'll see there's all these apps. I just connected Lovable, but let's try another one. Let's click on productivity. And let's see, there's Canva. So I'm obviously going to want to connect Canva. Let's just go ahead and do that. And click connect and click continue. And I'll have to wave off some permissions or agree to some permissions. And looks like that is complete. Okay, so now it says start chat. Create a thumbnail for a video about ChatGPT's new app store. Okay, so that's really ugly and terrible. So I said, add a picture of Jen Lehner and use the Front Row AI Club brand colors and font. And it said, I can do that, but I need you. And I was like, you have it in her Canva account. And it said, well, I get why you think that, but here's the truth. I don't have access to Jen's Canva account or its assets, even if I've helped design things like that before. So right now I can't grab her headshot from Canva or apply the actual blah, blah, blah. What I can do is accurately place Jen into the thumbnail, match the AI Club colors, and it knows my colors, and the font. So it's telling me download or give it my headshot, and then it'll regenerate the thumbnail for me. Okay, so we're not there yet on that. Let's go and try out the Lovable connection. Okay, so I'm going to click the plus sign, and then I'm going to click more, and right there I can see the Lovable connection. So let's see what am I going to ask it to do? Okay, so I said create a simple habit tracker for me. The habits I'm tracking are gym, walking, water intake, and yoga. Okay, so it's working here. And then it gives me all this code. And then I've got this option here to open it in Lovable. So let's take a look there. And here is our tracker. Let me click on the preview button. So cool. And that's what it looks like on mobile. Okay, so go have fun, kids, with the new App Store in ChatGPT.